Behold the beauty beneath the ancient sands of Greece, where the past reveals its artistic treasures. Today, we embark on a journey through time as we unearth strange statues, delicate and exquisite, nude female sculptures emerging as masterpieces of art from the depths of the earth. In the cradle of civilization, Greece conceals more than just history. It guards incredible lost works of art. These nude female statues, delicately sculpted and hidden beneath the sands, stand as timeless symbols of beauty, grace, and the enduring power of artistic expression. As we delve into the archaeological wonders, the stories of these statues come to life. Crafted by skilled hands and infused with cultural significance, they transcend mere artistry, embodying the ideals and aesthetics of a bygone era, a testament to the rich heritage that Greece holds. Witness the breathtaking beauty etched into these sandy wonders. Each curve, each contour speaks of the mastery of the sculptors who dared to immortalize the essence of feminine grace. These statues are not just beautiful, they are invaluable treasures that elevate the understanding of art in its purest form. In just over a minute, we've glimpsed the allure and value of these strange statues dug from the sands of Greece. Join the conversation on these incredible works of art, where every nuance tells a story of the past. Subscribe for more insights into the hidden wonders that make our world extraordinary. As we conclude this journey, let the beauty of these statues inspire a deeper appreciation for the artistry that lies beneath the sands. Until next time, keep exploring and discovering the treasures that make our world extraordinary. You.